YouTube isn't what it used to be. 5 years ago, you could post random videos, maybe do a bit of SEO, and somehow find an audience. But now, the platform is flooded. Millions of videos are uploaded every single day. If you're not making strategic, well-made content, you'll just get buried under the pile. That's the harsh reality. But with AI taking over, everything has changed. The days of spending hours brainstorming ideas, writing scripts from scratch, hiring expensive voiceover artists, and manually editing every single frame of your video, they're over. AI tools can now handle these tasks for you, and not in a generic, robotic way. These tools are smart. They learn from successful YouTube channels, they mimic natural human speech, and they assemble full-length videos with visuals that actually make sense. If you know how to use them correctly, they can completely transform your workflow and help you grow a YouTube channel faster than ever before. Today, I'm going to show you 3 of the most powerful AI tools that can do exactly that. We're not just going to run through a boring list of features. You're going to see exactly how to use these tools step by step, why they work, and how they can help you compete in an increasingly crowded space. If you want to make YouTube work for you in 2025, this is how you do it. I've linked all the tools that I'll cover in this video in the description, so make sure to click on those to sign up for free accounts and exclusive deals. AI Tool 1. Let's start with the biggest roadblock that stops most creators before they even get going: coming up with ideas and writing scripts. TubeMagic is the best AI tool for this. If you've ever sat there staring at a blank screen, struggling to figure out what to make a video about, you're not alone. It's one of the most frustrating parts of the creative process. But the reason it's so difficult isn't just because ideas are hard to come by. It's because most people approach it the wrong way. Instead of trying to think of ideas from scratch, the smartest creators study what's already working. They look at what's trending in their niche, they analyze successful videos, and they use that data to make content that people actually want to watch. TubeMagic automates this entire process. It scans popular channels in your niche, looks at the videos that are performing well, and generates unlimited video ideas based on what's already proven to work. You don't have to guess what might be interesting. TubeMagic shows you exactly what audiences are engaging with right now. But it doesn't just stop at generating ideas. One of the biggest time sinks in YouTube production is writing scripts. And that's where TubeMagic's AI script generator becomes super helpful. Once you have an idea, you can use the tool to generate a full structured script in seconds. It even has pre-built templates for different types of videos. Whether you're making top 10 lists, explainer videos, or product reviews, TubeMagic will format the script for you, making sure it flows naturally and keeps the viewer engaged. Why does this matter? Because a poorly structured video loses viewers. You've probably clicked on a video before only to exit 20 seconds in because it felt aimless or repetitive. That's exactly what you want to avoid. TubeMagic's AI structures scripts in a way that keeps people watching, introducing the topic in an interesting way, maintaining engagement throughout, and ending with a strong call to action. This means you spend less time second-guessing your content and more time actually making videos. AI Tool 2. Once you have your script, the next step is turning it into high-quality narration. 11 Labs is my top AI tool for this. If you're running a YouTube channel, your voiceover is one of the most important aspects of your video. It's what keeps viewers engaged. But let's be honest, not everyone has a voice that sounds good for narration. And even if you do, recording high-quality voiceovers takes time. You need the right equipment, a quiet space, and multiple takes to get it right. Not to mention, if you're creating a lot of videos, speaking for hours on end can become exhausting. This is why AI voiceovers have become so popular. But the problem with most AI-generated voices is that they sound robotic, unnatural, and completely lifeless. That's why I love 11 Labs. Unlike other AI voiceover tools, 11 Labs generates speech that actually sounds human. The intonation, pacing, and emphasis are incredibly natural, making it hard to tell the difference between an AI-generated voice and a real person. What makes 11 Labs even more powerful is its voice cloning feature. If you want to use your own voice but don't want to record every single script manually, you can provide a sample recording and the AI will clone your voice. This means you can generate voiceovers in your own voice without actually having to speak every word. It's a massive time saver and makes sure that all your videos are consistent. Why is this important? Because on YouTube, consistency builds trust. If your voice sounds different in every video, it's jarring for the audience. 11 Labs lets you maintain a uniform, professional voice without the hassle of manual recording. Whether you're running a faceless YouTube channel or just looking to speed up production, it will make your life easier. AI Tool 3. So now you have your script and your voiceover. The final step is putting everything together into a full video. Pictory is great for this. If you've ever edited a video before, you know how time-consuming it can be. Cutting clips, adding transitions, syncing audio, it can take hours, even for a short video. And if you're running a faceless channel that relies on stock footage, the process can be even more tedious as you're constantly searching for the right visuals to match your script. Pictory automates this entire process. You upload your script or voiceover, and the AI selects relevant stock footage, images, and animations to create a complete video. Instead of spending hours manually editing, you can get a fully assembled video in minutes. The AI doesn't just throw random clips together, it understands the context of your script and selects visuals that actually make sense. If you're talking about a new tech gadget, it will pull high-quality footage of that product. If you're discussing business trends, it will find appropriate stock footage to match. Why does this matter? Because on YouTube, visuals are everything. A good script and voiceover mean nothing if your video looks boring. Pictory makes sure that your content looks professional, even if you have zero editing experience. And if you want to make adjustments, you can easily tweak the footage, add your own branding, and fine-tune the final product before publishing. So let's bring this all together. First, you use TubeMagic to generate video ideas and write scripts based on what's already proven to work in your niche. Then you use 11 Labs to create high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers, either with AI-generated voices or a cloned version of your own voice. Finally, you use Pictory to edit and assemble your video, automating the most time-consuming parts of the process. By using these three tools together, you eliminate some of the biggest bottlenecks in YouTube content creation. No more struggling with ideas, no more spending hours writing scripts, no more expensive voiceover artists, no more tedious video editing. You streamline the entire workflow so you can create more high-quality videos in less time. And in 2025, that's exactly what you need to stand out on YouTube. So now the question is, are you going to keep doing things the hard way, or are you going to take advantage of what's available? If you want to try these tools, I've linked them in the description. Give them a go for free and see how they can change your workflow. Because if you're serious about growing on YouTube, this is the future. If you have any questions or want to get into even more specifics, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside YouTube Profit Academy, we share exclusive tips and updates on content creation, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, running online businesses, and much more. It's completely free, so be sure to join using the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. Which of these tools have you used before, or are you thinking of using next? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.